What I drink during yoga. It's my small luxury for steady energy. I call it luxury au naturel because wellness is a form of wealth. Living foods such as berries, herbs, citrus, and water pay us back in focus, stamina, and calm. Outer beauty is simply the receipt of inner nourishment. In today's video, we are making something so easy, so beautiful that fuels you from the inside and makes you glow from the outside. I'm calling them Blackberry, Basil, Lime, Yoga Ice Cubes. It's nature's luxury you can taste, feel, and see. So let's get into the ingredients. Water provides a clean base, focus-friendly hydration, and effortless recovery. Blackberries, they are juicy, gently sweet, antioxidants for glow and cell protection, fiber for steady energy. Fresh basil, herbal, calming aromatics for the nervous system, digestive support for post-practice. A fresh lime, bright, tangy, natural electrolytes for hydration, vitamin C for skin and immunity. Listen, I know we all know how to make ice cubes, so we just need a few more steps to make this luxurious treat. Squeeze the lime juice into the water, add blackberries to the tray, tuck the basil leaves into the wells, add thin lime slices into the wells, pour lime water to fill the tray, and then top with plain water if needed. Do not judge the freezer. Okay, we need a bigger one, but we work on what we got. So I had to make some room. Here she is. This will get all this. You don't need to know what this is. Just focus on what I'm putting in the freezer. Okay, here we go. This is the blackberry, lime, basil.
going in the freezer. All right, blackberry lime. Blackberry lime basil. Ooh, okay, just hit me in my face. That was not nice. All right, that's it. Gotta let it freeze. Hey y'all. Ice cubes and coconut water. This is also a good yoga drink. So something to drink maybe during yoga class. Like you can put the ice cubes in your yoga jar. Where's my yoga jar? Put the ice cubes in your yoga jar, right? Fill it up with water, bam. This would be amazing, amazing to have during like a hot, because I take hot yoga. This would be amazing in a hot yoga class. So you can take your ice cubes, put them in a jar, bam. Fill it up with water, bam. You are feeling refreshed during your class while you're stretching and getting your workout on. So try it, let me know. Cheers to luxury au naturel.